What's the next build gonna be? Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Homestead model building. Sorry I haven't had a video up for a couple days. I got a head cold that's been really bothering me, but I have been working on the new build a little bit. And if you remember in the mail call, we got a 1939 Ford delivery. It was partially there. I've been working on it. I got it partially painted. It's called Plum Crazy. Hopefully it shows up as a purple on there to you. And the top part will be a cream color. I went through to see what parts was here. And there's some parts that I don't have. But we're going to basically make it a junkyard build, do what we can with it. That's where we'll be. I got part of the engine painted there, Ford blue. I just been kind of working on it, so that's what's been going on. Hopefully in a couple days I'll give you another update. Like I said, I got a head cold and I don't feel like I'm all here, so hopefully I'll get to feeling better here. We'll catch you on the next video. Don't forget though, smile today, smile tomorrow, you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos. It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for in this area